Hey YouTube, this is Waylon. I took a little bit of money from selling 2 hats. It was $20 for 2 hats. I threw in another $30 and found this washing machine on Pettis County Swap Shop. It's Kenmore, kind of a basic unit, but I had to go and buy these 2 water supply lines, and I also bought a corrugated discharge hose, but it turned out that this one was inside of it, so I'll keep the supply lines. And then I got the corrugated discharge hose over here, but when I opened it, the clamp was gone. So that's got to go back. I couldn't use it anyway because I didn't have the clamp. So what I'm doing, the guy I bought it from was a paramedic. The entire family has had COVID. So I sprayed the entire machine down with Clorox bleach and tap water on every crack, the knobs, and let it dry outside. Then I sprayed the whole thing down again with Lysol and let it dry. And now I'm running a cycle of bleach water through it, which I made kind of weak because I wanted to make sure that none of the lines are going to leak bleach all over my kitchen floor. So now I'm going to soup it up a little bit. That's about how much bleach I had in it already. There we go. I may run it again. For some reason it looks dirty. I just wanted to flush it out. It runs with the lid up. That's cool. I kind of like watching it. It's got a 14-minute timer. It's the Kenmore model number 110-276-22790. My guess is it's probably about a $300 washer. Probably came out in a set. He said it worked, and it does. I don't see no water running out from underneath it. It was stored in his garage. So we'll see what happens when it spins the water out. I'm going to close this down and see if I can let it do what it's got to do. So that's why I didn't slide it in there. 10, almost $11 per side. 11 for that side, 11 for this side. $22 for the hoses. I can remember when they were $6 for a pair of those. You could pick them up at the garage sale for 50 cents. So like and subscribe and comment down below. It won't be long and I'll shove it in that hole back there. So now I gotta clean the kitchen. Like and comment. Like and subscribe. Subscribe. Click the notification. All that good jizz. Jazz. Woo.